Bluetooth communication between brush and Smart pH1 provides real-time feedback on brushing habits, helping you achieve amazing results. FlossAction round brush head with micropulse bristles for a superior interdental clean versus a regular manual toothbrush. Bristle material, nylon. 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up plaque and remove more plaque along the gumline than a regular manual toothbrush. Pressure sensor lights up on brush and Smart pH1 if you brush too hard. 5 modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean. To maintain the maximum battery capacity of the rechargeable battery, unplug the charging unit and fully discharge the handle with regular use at least every 6 months. The Oral-B Pro 5000 Smartseries Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush with Bluetooth connectivity provides a floss-like clean for healthier gums. Bluetooth communication allows the brush to connect with your smartphone to give you real-time feedback on your brushing habits. The pressure sensor lights up if you brush too hard to prevent harmful overbrushing, and there are 5 modes and a timer to help you brush for a dentist recommended 2 minutes. Best of all, it's brought to you by Oral-B, the #1 brand used by dentists worldwide. Does not replace flossing. Top reviews from the United States. Works as expected. I bought this to replace a 20-plus-year-old Braun on which the brush head had become unremovable. Wow, these folks have been busy over the past 20 years. It's quieter, faster, lighter, and brighter. At age 80 I am reasonably sure this will be my last toothbrush and I am completely satisfied with it.